What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Dividend Team. Today, I want to talk about 3 IPOs I think that you should buy kind of now. Well, actually not IPOs no more, but they did IPO at one point. But then with all the hype going on with Coinbase, got me thinking about those IPOs and the ones that came out and which one we should kind of look into. But first, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like and leave a comment. So we had Coinbase came out actually yesterday. So I'm going to look at some IPOs that we look at that's booming right now that came out. Roblox actually came out a few months ago. At first it seemed overvalued, but I did a little research in this company. It's very impressive. As you know, Roblox is like a freelance gaming platform for like designers to pretty much self-publish their content. It pretty much is free to play on iOS, Android, things like that. And pretty much they make their money through in-game purchases. So yeah, Roblox, pretty good one. I think if anybody got kids, I'm pretty sure they might be playing Roblox right now and bugging you about, buy some Robux. So Roblox is a pretty good one to get into. I'll talk about another one. So hit the like button for Roblox if you like that one. Him and Hers, pretty good one I was looking at. This coming right here, looking at to be one of the first, pretty much first digital healthcare company. Market cap 2.5. Operates in telehealth, consulting platform, connects consumers to healthcare professionals, mental health, sexual health, dermatology, primary care. So yeah, pretty good one. Him and Hers. I think I might get a couple of shares in this one. So once you guys hit the like button for this one, leave a comment. Let me know what you got to think about Him and Hers. And the last one I'm looking at was Bumble. Pretty much dating app. Pretty much own 2 dating apps. I see good market cap 6.7 billion. Provide online services via 2 mobile applications, Bumble and Bamble. Hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, pretty good one. I think we'll be some good gains from the 3 IPO stocks I'm looking at. I know if I talk about Coinbase stock just kind of dropped yesterday. I just want to get on here real quick and talk about 3 IPO stocks that came out that I'm interested in getting into. We got Roblox, Him and Hers, and Bumble. So yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below about these 3 stocks and what you think about them. Which one should be I definitely buy. Which one shouldn't worry about. Make sure you like this video. Yeah, so see you next time.